Welcome to my little short video on Drupal for Non-Techies curriculum. Let's take a reality check. A light-hearted take on what you will learn when you enroll in Drupal for Non-Techies. A wise old crone once said, "There is a terrible penalty to be paid by not using one's talent." Are you using your talents? Do you have an exercise program, how to paint a house in 2 days, or some type of a tip that many people out there can benefit from by you selling it on your Drupal website? You don't have to just work with affiliate programs. In fact, if you have an amazing idea, you can create a membership site and install something called an Uber cart, an e-commerce shopping cart, which is free, and charge people to purchase your ebook, videos, how-to tips, or for them just to subscribe to your membership, and they're going to get weekly or monthly tutorials like you're going to be getting from Drupal Girl Jam. Have you let other people talk you out of pursuing something you're good at? Have you bowed to pressure and abandoned a project that was meaningful to you? Identify something you strongly believe in. Watch this video and you will learn how to make your dreams come true. There will be pauses in this video to let you read the mini table of contents. Let's go to Drupal for Non-Techies Week 1. I've logged into Drupal for Non-Techies Week 1 area, and you can go ahead and play this video as well. You can scroll down to the table of contents, and you'll be able to read this table of contents. The first lesson is Drupal SEO friendly? Where to host your Drupal website? How to add on a domain? In the next section, we're going to talk about simple scripts. Here you can click here to watch video to watch the flash video. You'll learn how to install Drupal in a subdirectory, how to change status to offline, plan your site architecture, install whatever version of Drupal you want. Section 2 of the simple scripts, you're going to select Drupal from the pull-down list, click the complete button, save your username and password, and click the link to log right into your Drupal website. You're going to learn how to turn off your site. As well, you're going to learn how to install Drupal using Fantastico, and we're going to show you how to install something called Poor Man's Cron Job to remove the error message. In week 2, you're also going to learn how to create a test environment for your Drupal website. If we can scroll down here, you're going to learn how to create a test environment for your Windows machine. We're going to download something called WOMP. We're going to show you how to download modules onto your local computer. We're going to show you how to download themes onto your local computer so you can go ahead and play around with your Drupal installation. So for those who actually have a Windows machine, you're going to really like lesson 2. During week 3, you can go ahead and play this video. Click the play button. This is a YouTube video that I've embedded. In the table of contents, the first lesson for week 3 is you're going to learn what a node is. You're going to learn what a story is. You're going to learn what a content type is. We're going to show you how to add a story. We're going to show you how to enable a content type. And then we're going to tour you through the Drupal administration menu. And as you can see, there's a mini table of contents that you can go ahead and read at your leisure. And after you go ahead and tour the Drupal admin menu, we're going to show you how to run Drupal on your computer, because in the previous week's lesson we taught you how to install WOMP. Then we're going to ask you to turn on the simple menu so you can navigate easier. And lastly, we're going to show you how to turn on your clean URLs. And there you're going to look at the downloads link, and I've downloaded the htaccess file right here. You just simply click on that to cut and paste that onto your web server, in this case hopefully Bluehost. Week 4, you're going to basically configure your Drupal website settings. Then we're going to talk to you about modules using mind maps, and you simply click on any of these links that are in blue to actually go to the flash video. We're going to show you how to download modules in week 4, and under the pull module mini table of contents, I want you to click on the click here to watch video. Then here you're going to go ahead, I'm going to have a moment of silence while you read the mini table of contents for the pull module. At any time you can hit the pause button to actually take a closer look at these mini table of contents. In week 5, you see I've downloaded a mind map. And in week 5, we're going to show you how to configure a blog. This is a 20-minute video. Then we're going to go into basic and advanced taxonomy. we're going to teach you using mind maps what a container is, what a vocabulary is, what a term is, the anatomy of a vocabulary, related terms, single versus multiple hierarchies, required versus not required, what is a controlled vocabulary, what is free tagging, what is multiple select, how to add a term, how to add a vocabulary. Week 6, we're going to show you how to add a home page. This is a mind map that I uploaded, what a story is. And here we're going to give you some tips on blogging. We're going to show you how to create a home page, and you can choose whether to use the page or the story content type. We're also going to go into what are users, what are roles, what are permissions, how to set up the security for your website, and how to assign permissions to different roles, such as if you're going to hire people from Elance to go ahead and blog for you, as well as hire people in Rent-A-Coder to go ahead and install special contributed modules for you as well. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to set up roles, users, permissions, and you're going to be able to set up your home page. Week 7, we're going to talk about forums. We're going to show you how to go ahead and turn on the forum module in the core section area in build modules. We're going to also ask you to do some supplementary exercises, which you can take a glance at what they are. I won't repeat them to you. We're also going to be asking you to install something called the Tiny MCE. We're going to show you how to configure this WYSIWYG editor and how you can assign permissions to your contributors as well as your bloggers and all the different people that will be adding content to your Drupal website. In week 8, we're going to talk about themes. I have selected a theme which I really like, which is called Fresh Media. This is a Drupal 6 theme. We're going to show you how to install a theme. We're going to show you where to look for the themes in Drupal.org themes area. We're also going to go ahead and show you how to customize the Fresh Media theme. And what I've done is I've taken out the leaf and put in the sumo wrestlers in the blue background and put in some bamboo trees behind them. So we can show you how to change and add different background color. We're going to show you how to put a different background behind the sumos. You can go ahead and extract any image that you want from iStock Photo and put it in place of the sumos, and you can go ahead and change the different header tag colors as well. This is actually quite a fun lesson. Week 9, we're going to talk about CCK, so take a close look at this mind map. We're going to use mind maps to define to you what is CCK. CCK stands for Content Construction Kit. We're also going to talk about what are the modules that are safe to download, and we're going to review for you again where to install, where to extract the modules, and where to place your contributed modules. We're also going to talk about how to create custom fields. We're going to talk about views, and we're going to talk to you why CCK, views, and taxonomy are the 3 most important modules for you to have a really deep understanding at if you really want to fully maximize the incredible power of Drupal. You really want to learn CCK, views, and taxonomy. We're going to talk about why views is important, and we're also going to install something called simple views. In week 10, we're going to talk about the panels module. We're going to show you how to lay out your home page. We're also going to talk about understanding blocks, how to turn on the blocks, how to set permissions for the blocks. We're going to show you how to install both the panels and the views bonus module. We're going to show you how to configure the panels, and you're going to create a home page very similar to this, the picture that you see here, and it's going to be a 3-column panel layout. And we're going to show you how to create a crisp, minimalistic home page.